It's a person that you know. When you listen and understand
is
the word of the prophet. I'm not speaking about a Bible school. I'm not speaking about a priest from a Bible school. I'm speaking about a calling. A person working with a calling is not the same as a person from a Bible school. I didn't study for what I'm doing here. I was given in the spiritual realms. As I'm here, I'm not short of anything. Don't think I'm starving. The thing that I'm in, it found me being nothing. Today I'm known all over the world. I was rejected. I was rejected in the family. I was rejected by friends and relatives. I was left by myself. It means that a person in this world,
don't judge anyone.
Because a person is not yours. Don't look at a person with eyes and judge them and say they're going to die being like this. Because a person is not their God, who he is. Father, my wife was there in the steam last week. I'll never tell you the money that came out. It's small money that I can mention. Just phone me right now. Get to the office. A man phones the husband. My wife was here. Entered the steam. Father, it's far right now. I want him to come back to be thankful himself. The word said if you listen and understand the word of Jehovah, your God, you'll get good things on the earth. People have been blessing cars. Every Sunday I bless cars. A person can bring nothing. The altar is in badness at home. A person is born in a bad way.